So for this question, you are asked to show. You are asked to show first, then you can do some ratios because they give you some areas here. So with the idea of area, I know that there's a bit of area ratio to play about. Okay, so as usual, how would you show? You color out the two triangles. In this question, right, you will see a common angle and you can see a corresponding angle or another corresponding angle because of the parallel line. So I'm not writing out the proof for you, but I think you can see that you can do a AA or AAA, common angle and a corresponding angle. That will be enough for you to prove for the similar triangle. So I'm not going to be writing out. So I'm just going to use the ratio. So remember in the previous teaching worksheet, so even if you can prove similar or not, you should be writing out the ratio. So you should have 3 ratio. So write out the 3 ratio first. So no matter what, you just write out the 3 ratio. So how am I going to use the area ratio? So apparently they gave me the area ratio. So if you take a look, they gave me ABC and they gave me APQ. The area ratio is 28/20. So this is area ratio. So the area should be equal to length ratio. So you are free to take any of the length. Take any of the length and you square it, it will be equal to the area ratio. So which one will you choose? Of course, you will choose the one that involves BC. So you use the one that involves BC, go and square it, you will get 28/20. So bear in mind, this is the area ratio. So when you square a length ratio, you should be able to find. So I should have my PQ. My PQ is given to me. So I'm going to put in my PQ. PQ is 5. Okay, you might want to reduce the ratio if you can see that the number is a bit big and it's reducible. So if you take a look, it's reducible. So you got 2 ways of doing from here. Maybe you want to square the top and the bottom, then you cross multiply. So you square the top and bottom, then you cross multiply. So that's how you can find BC. So that's one method. Or you can choose to take square roots. And then you multiply by 5 on both sides. You will still get the same answer. So that's your choice. You want to square, then cross multiply, or you want to take square root, and then you multiply 5 on both sides. Okay, then subsequently, the last part, I'm supposed to find ratio. So this is AP over, okay, I lose the whole thing. So please retrace back. So AP over AB. So just now when we wrote the ratio, so we wrote the ratio for these two triangles. So from the first part, we already wrote out the 3 ratio. So let me do a quick writing of the 3 ratio. And just now this part is 5.92. So this ratio is exactly this one. And it should be equal to BC over PQ. So just now I found my BC and I know my PQ. So my PQ is 5. So from here you can try. From here it will be 5.92 over 5. Oh, sorry. I think I wrote something wrongly. BC over. Okay, I wrote it wrongly. Sorry. It's exactly the same as this, but it should be PQ over BC. I got to flip it around. So it should be PQ over BC. And PQ is 5.92. Sorry, not 5.92. PQ is 5. And then this is 5.92. So I'm going to write in the ratio format because they requested for it. So they requested for this format. So I'm just going to divide by 5 on both sides. So this is your n. So that's how we make use of the area ratio. And this one is quite a full question because you're supposed to prove, back to the same thing, you prove, you write the ratio. And here we go for the squaring.